Hi guys, welcome back. Today I have a really fun Disney DIY for you. That's the best kind of DIY in my opinion. I did a countdown chain. Totally retro and throwback, right? You guys remember making these when you were little. Maybe not a Mickey version, but I used construction paper to do a countdown chain. I had so much fun doing this. It's one of those things where you just loop paper together, right? And people often make these to do a countdown, and that's exactly what I did. I did this to count down to my upcoming trip. In 30 days, we're going to Disney World, so I did 30 loops. And the fun thing about this is when you loop it all together, it mimics Mickey Mouse. How pretty is this? I've done this design before, and it's super simple. I wanted to share it with you guys. It could not be easier. All you need to do to make this is get yourself some strips of construction paper, obviously. You're gonna need strips of black, white, red, and yellow. And then to the white and yellow strips, you're not going to do anything at all. You leave them alone, but you're going to upgrade the red and the black. To the red, you're going to just put little polka dots so that they look like Mickey's buttons. How sweet is that? I used a white chalk marker to do mine just to make it really simple, but if you don't have a white chalk marker and you don't want to go buy something special for this project, don't worry about it. Just use like some white printer paper or extra white construction paper, cut out some circles and just glue them right on. Really simple. And then for the black strips, we're going to make Mickey's ears. I cut out some little ovals out of the black paper, and then I just taped them to the sides. I could have used glue, but that would have gotten a little messy. The tape was simple, and I don't mind using it. Also, I had my 2-year-old at my feet for this project. She was trying to help out, so I was trying to keep it as clean and simple as possible. And then that's all there is to making the strips. And then I did something a little special. This is something I like to do whenever I do one of these countdown chains. On the inside of each strip of paper, I wrote something in there that I was looking forward to for the trip. This is a great thing to do as a family. If you're taking a family trip, get everybody involved, ask them what they're looking forward to, maybe a special meal you're having or a character your child is excited to meet, a favorite ride that you guys can't wait to go on together. And then each night when you tear that strip of paper off, you can read aloud the thing that's written there and you can look forward to it together. Really fun. And then to put them together, I'm just going to tape the loops together. Again, I'm using tape because I'm just keeping it clean, but you can use glue if you like. And then the pattern is what's important here. You need to do them in the right order so that you can see the designs and so it looks correct. So you're going to start with the black. That's going to be your top loop. And then you're going to do a white. And then you're going to do red, and you want to make sure you place it so that the buttons are facing forward. You want to see those ears, you want to see those buttons, and then you do yellow. And then just repeat until you get your chain. And it's so pretty all together. Hang this up. You can hang it from a hook on the wall so that you get it in a nice straight line. Hang it in a swag across your mantle, or I think this even looks really pretty along a headboard in your bedroom. If you've got the kind of headboard that has like little posts on the side, it'll hang really easy. And you know what, this would be great if you've got a couple children, you know, let each child make their own and you can hang this in their bedroom. I went with the classic Mickey colors obviously, but you can easily make this Minnie Mouse. Just pop out the red, don't use red, and instead do a pink, and instead of doing buttons, do white polka dots all over to do the pattern of her dress, and that would be super charming. And like I said, I'm doing this to count down to a trip, but you can use this to count down to anything, maybe a birthday party, a holiday you're looking forward to, any kind of trip. Really charming, really fun for kids. I'm so excited to have done this. I did another Disney countdown project a few months ago. I did like blocks. Actually, let me show you. I've got it right here on my desk. It's one of those, you know, with like the blocks and you turn them and whatnot. I'll put a link below if you want to see how I did that. Really fun. I did that in like Minnie Mouse colors. So that's my DIY for the day. Let me know what you guys think. Are you totally into this? It's so throwback. I used to make these all the time as a kid. And give this video a thumbs up if you liked it so I know to do more Disney DIYs. It's one of my favorite kinds, like I said. And don't forget, hit that red subscribe button below so that you don't miss out on future videos. I've got a ton more projects coming up for my trip. If you like Disney DIYs, you are in the right place. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.